Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to unlock Apple Intelligence on iPhone XS, XR up to 13. Take note, you're gonna need iOS 18.1 for this one. Alright? So the first thing you need to know is that what kind of iPhone do you have? To know that, go to Settings, go to General and look for the one that says About. In here, you're gonna see what kind of iPhone do you have. Once you know for certain that you have XR moving forward, you're going to want to go to App Store. Look for the one that says Apple Developer. Install this one, click on Open, and look for the one that says Account. Once you're in here, look for the one that says Sign In or Enroll if you have that one, and you'll be good to go. So once you enroll with that, you're good to go. You can sign up, etc. You're going to want to go to Safari. Because in Safari for this one, you're going to need to click on beta.apple.com. Now, once in here, you're going to sign up this again. And basically for this one, as you can see, you're going to have iOS 18 moving forward, sign up. And after that one, you'll be good to go. Just turn it on and you have Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. It's going to be easy as that. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.